10 Smartest Animals. From detecting tuberculosis in humans to outperforming us in memory tests, we aren't the only intelligent creatures on this planet. Truth be told, we're far from it. We tend to believe we're the smartest species on Earth, using traditional classroom intelligence as the benchmark to measure an animal's brain power, but those tests just scratch the surface. For example, while we can create sonar technology to track an enemy submarine, dolphins are born with it. All animals make their own decisions, whether it's instinctual or well thought out, just like us. We have all evolved throughout the years, continue to learn from one another, and have formed friendships with each other. You might be reading this with your own intelligent little friend, your pet, by your side. So, while some of the animals on this list have smaller brains than us, or vastly larger ones, each animal is intelligent and unique in its own way. After all, groundhogs still predict our weather, right? Here are 10 of the smartest animals that have continued to show their remarkable intelligence time after time. Dogs. It's not for nothing that a dog is called a friend of man. She can learn to count, understand several hundred words and gestures, and do basic math exercises. With proper training, of course. Experts believe that the poodle has the most enviable intelligence among dogs. Cat. Domestic cats have their own language. They have a well-developed memory. Even better than dogs. They are good at recognizing the intonation of the human voice. With the help of facial expressions and gaze, they can easily express their feelings and desires, which is not so common in the animal kingdom. Dolphin. Each dolphin has a name to which it responds among its relatives. Dolphins also have one unique characteristic: they never sleep. In the usual sense for us. Their right and left hemispheres are alternately awake and asleep. Crows. Ravens are self-aware and perfectly recognize their reflection in the mirror. They know how to make and use tools. For example, crows use sticks to knock apples off a tree. They can also perfectly distinguish volume, weight, and material from which the object is made. That is why these birds will never put a piece of wood in a container to raise the water level in it. But the stone is easy. Squirrels. Squirrels are very cunning creatures. If they see a potential thief on the horizon, then they can easily pretend that they are burying sweets in one place, and then coolly hide them in another. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are the closest human relatives in the animal kingdom. Due to the structure of the vocal apparatus, they do not have the ability to speak. However, they easily communicate with each other in sign language. Scientists believe that these animals have a sense of humor. They know how to smile. And this is not just a mechanical work of muscles, but a real emotional response to an external stimulus. Parrot gecko. These parrots are known for their talkativeness. But this is not their only advantage. They are capable of empathy and easily show emotions themselves. Thanks to their natural intelligence, Jacques learn quickly. In terms of intellectual and emotional development, these parrots can be compared with a 4-year-old child. Octopuses. Sly octopuses are endowed with an impressive brain size. Regarding your body weight, of course. They have a phenomenal memory. They can easily distinguish the faces of people and shamelessly show sympathy for those who feed them. The rat. The rat is the only creature in the animal kingdom that can laugh. Rats also have dreams. In order not to be in the clutches of a predator, they communicate with each other in the ultrasonic range. According to scientists, they have a rich vocabulary. Elephants. Elephants have an excellent long-term memory, which is why they are terribly vindictive. They are well versed in the terrain. Know how to use tools. They use thick branches as fly washers. Elephants know how to empathize with their fellow tribesmen. And they get very upset when they feel bad or die.